Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine, clean to every detail. The Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine is equipped with 4 body brushes and 4 wheel brushes, ensuring a thorough clean for every detail of the bike. These specially designed brushes reach even hard-to-access areas like the wheels and undercarriage without scratching or damaging the surface. Thanks to the combination of a brush system and high-pressure nozzles, your customers will always receive top-quality service with a motorbike that shines from every angle. This is the secret to making your motorbike wash shop the favorite destination of even the most demanding riders. If you're interested in our automatic motorbike washing machine and need further consultation, please leave a comment below the video or contact Go&Go for support. Goodbye and see you in our next videos.